Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another holiday look. I cannot wait to keep doing these, guys. But for today's look, we're going to be starting off with the color Regard using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. Basically, this color is going to be a perfect color for our transition shade. So applying this to our crease, upper crease, just so it colors can be blended out really good. The colors that we are going to be applying on top of this color. We're going to be applying it from the outer corner to the inner corner of its O. We're going to be grabbing a clean fluffy brush and cleaning out the harsh edges that we created. The next color we're going to be grabbing from this palette is going to be the color Viren Red. Please excuse my bad saying of the names. I'm like horrible at saying the names. But anyways, it's like a more of like a burgundy red tone shade. Perfect, like a berry tone. There you go. And we're also going to be applying that to our crease lower than the orange. Now, as you can see, the orange kind of disappeared. But in a further clip, we are going to be applying some more orange. But we are going to be blending this out with a clean fluffy brush, cleaning out the harsh edges. So now we are going to be applying the same color, Regard, the orange shade, and putting that shade on top just so we can pop and bring back the orange shade that we kind of lost with that dark berry tone color. As you can see, we brought the orange shade back, so we have like that nice gradient between the orange shade and the berry color. And then I'm just going back and forth with the orange shade and then going in with the berry color and just keep blending them together so there won't be no harsh edges. Blending takes so much time, guys, so please do not give up. Keep on blending so your whole eye look can be looking poppin'. Going back with the palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the color Red Orchid, or red, yeah. And then I'm going to be grabbing that with like a pencil brush. It's very thin brush. And I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner, like just on top where the crease folds, just so we can create more darkness. But going in with another clean fluffy brush and then just blending out the harsh edges. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to be half cutting my crease. After we have cut the concealer, or like our lid, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. And this is going to help the concealer not move around and basically set the concealer. I'm going to be grabbing the orange brush and then blending out the harsh edges that we created with the concealer. So by blending this harsh edge that we created between the concealer and the shadow is going to make the look more well put together. Now for our brow bone, I'm going to go in with the color Tempera and pop that in the brow bone. Now cleaning up your brow bone definitely helps the look pop out and look put together. So for this look, I wanted to create a red wing, and for my wing I don't have a red liner, so I went in with my Stila lipstick in the shade Rubno, and I'm going to be creating a wing out of this red lipstick. Now, anything is possible, guys. There's no rules in makeup. No one said you're not allowed to do this. Now, just be careful because this did end up staining my lid. But just wash it out with some coconut oil and you should be fine. The only problem with this wing liner was that it wasn't too dark like I wanted it. So I had to go in with the LA Colors lip gloss, or lip matte lipstick in the shade Xoxo, and I'll be showing it in the next clip. Now this is more of like a dark burgundy color, and this is exactly what I wanted to be like more bold. Now it does look a little glossy here in camera, but I promise you it stayed up really matte and dark and red and bold, and that's exactly what I wanted. You can always look for a different alternative, guys, if you don't have a certain makeup product. So it is kind of messy, so I did go in with some concealer and cleaned up the harsh edges right there. I did do my eyes first, so I did blend out the concealer on the rest of my cheek, but just be careful if you do your eyes first. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Essence Volume Mascara, and this mascara literally is one of the best drugstore affordable mascara ever, guys, so please get your hands on it. For lashes, I went with my Dodo lashes, of course, in the style D115, and then for my lower lash line, I just used the crease colors and applied them to my lower lashes. So I wanted to add a little bit of highlight, and I went with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade 100, and I popped that in my inner corner. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye!